Hey team, just wanted to take a few moments out of my day to give you a demo of how we can use this bulk file renaming code that I put together for us. Essentially what it does is it will go through all of the files and folders within a root folder and give a prefix of sequential 4 numbers to each. And it's built so that within a folder, it will take the earliest date created file and then progress to continue naming until it finishes all of the files in the root folder. And so to be able to use this, what you'll need to have is a few prerequisite things done. You need to have Python installed on your computer. You'll need to have the code, which I'll show you. You'll want to make sure you know the file path of where your code is, and you'll want to know the file path of where your target folder is. I only know how to do it on Mac right now, so I'll just give you a quick demo. And so the first thing that we're going to do is go and find our script. In our case, it's in the Legal 1UP folder for renaming the files. And this is the one that we're going to be wanting to use. So essentially what you have to do is go into your terminal where you can execute code. And we are going to change our directory. So we're essentially telling this where to go in our folder structure. So on a Mac, you can nicely just drag it into it, and that will let you go to the new location. If we look in here, we can see all of the files that are in there. And so running the script is really as simple as typing Python and then the name of the script. So here, rename files.py. And so the program is going to ask you to enter your root file folder path. You can do something similar, but I find it's easier, at least on the Mac, to go one folder into your root folder to find your info, and then you should be able to see where, and you can copy that as a path name and put it in. So we'll paste that into here, and essentially what it's done is it's gone through and renamed all of our files. So we had 134 files in here, and as you can see, everything has basically changed. So this one has 002. Our 2002 files start at 20 and go to 97. Our 2023 ones come after that. Any deliverables that we have for Legal 1UP projects were renamed, as well as the policies and procedures for the United Nations. So that's basically all you need to do with this. I think it's important to have a backup first of the source files, kind of like I've made a zip file here, just in case you made a change that you didn't want, that you'd be able to recover it. But essentially, yeah, you would just use this code and run it like that, and it makes it easier for us to talk about and reference and build inventories and such for all of our file management needs. So if you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out and let me know.